Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch Band 6. First, ensure your Huawei Band 6 is fully charged before starting the process. Next, download the official Huawei Health application onto your smartphone from your App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone to allow it to discover and connect with your new band. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful setup, preparing your devices for pairing. Now that your band is charged and Bluetooth is active, open the Huawei Health app on your phone. Navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device and then select Smart Bands or specifically Huawei Band 6 from the list. Your phone will then search for the band. Once found, confirm the pairing request on both your smartphone and directly on the band screen to establish the connection. If you encounter any issues during connection, don't worry. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei Band 6. Ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version, as older versions might have compatibility problems. Also, verify that your band is within Bluetooth range, typically about 10 meters from your phone. If problems persist, consider performing a factory reset on your band as a last resort, then try pairing again. Congratulations, your Huawei Band 6 is now connected. With your band successfully paired, you can now synchronize your health data, including steps, heart rate, and sleep, regularly through the Huawei Health app. Take some time to customize your watch faces and notification settings to personalize your experience. Explore the various fitness tracking and health monitoring features available to make the most of your new wearable device. Enjoy your connected journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.